Bollywood star Ajay Devgan inaugurates brand new Kalyan Jewellers showroom in Bangalore *. Offers luxurious shopping experience in world-class ambience. Announces mega discount offers celebrating the launch. Bangalore, 30th September 2025, Kalyan Jewellers, one of India's largest and most trusted jewelry brands, today launched its new showroom in Whitefield, Bangalore. Bollywood star Ajay Devgan inaugurated the showroom, which features an extensive range of designs from various collections of Kalyan Jewellers. The event drew an enthusiastic crowd, with fans and patrons alike gathering in large numbers to catch a glimpse of the superstar. The warm welcome added a vibrant energy to the launch, reflecting the excitement and anticipation surrounding the opening of this new showroom. The brand new showroom marks the company's 26th in state of Karnataka, and patrons can expect state-of-the-art facilities with world-class ambience, providing an unparalleled experience. Addressing the enthralled crowd, Bollywood star Ajay Devgan said, "I am pleased to be present here today for the inauguration of the new Kalyan Jewellers showroom. It is an honor to represent Kalyan Jewellers, a brand that stands firm on the principles of trust, transparency and customer centricity. I am confident that the patrons will welcome Kalyan Jewellers warmly while enjoying the service-backed shopping experience and exploring the diverse range of jewelry collections offered by the company." Commenting on the new showroom, Mr. Ramesh Kalyanaraman, Executive Director of Kalyan Jewellers, said, "With the launch of our all-new showroom in Bangalore, the aim is to create a holistic ecosystem and cater to the distinct needs of our customers, enhancing their shopping experience. We aspire to continue reinventing ourselves, providing customers with world-class ambience, while staying true to the company's ethos of trust and transparency. At Kalyan Jewellers, we will continue to offer a vast range of exquisite and unique jewelry designs with focus on quality and service." To celebrate the launch, Kalyan Jewellers has announced up to 50% off on making charges star. Also, the Kalyan Special Gold Board rate lowest in the market and standardized across all companies.
Devgan fans in the house, make some noise! So firstly, a very, very warm welcome to Nama Bengaluru. Can you speak Kannada? If you can say everybody, Yellarigu Namaskar.
नमस्कार मैं ठीक से बोल नहीं सकता इसलिए I won't want to spoil it. मैं बैंगलोर बहुत सालों के बाद आया. I've had some very great time here. I just go inside and come back and then I'll talk to you.
जोर से दिल से तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं Ajay Devgan in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Well, he is going to be back in few moments. Well, yes, finally the time has come that in the house. A very, very warm welcome, Ajay sir, to Nama Bengaluru. So, how does it feel to be back here in Nama Bengaluru and be a part of Kalyan Jewellers?
It's always great to be a part of Kalyan Jewellers. I've been associated with them since quite some time. And the best part is that what I really believe in there is everybody loves diamonds, but gold is gold. I think that's a long-term success.
So, बहुत सारे fans हैं for you here. So, what are your upcoming projects or one lovely message for all of your fans right here?
गोलमाल फाइट बन रही है. मेरी नेक्स्ट रिलीज अब होगी आई थिंक नवंबर में. दे दे प्यार दे पार्ट 2. आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिलता है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. लव यू गाइस. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. जोर से दिल से तालियों के साथ. Thank you so much sir for joining us. जोर से दिल से तालियां हो जाए. That was Ajay Devgan in the house for all of you.
Fabulous.
So yes,
I used to be here a lot of times.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೆ Kalyan Jewellers is just launched.
And I'm coming after a long time, but whenever I've come here, I've had a great time. I would love to come back here soon. Thanks.